how to replace and recover the center console lid of your 2007 to 2014 Cadillac Escalade. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To remove the armrest cover, just lift up the top portion. There's 2 Phillips head screws right here that need to come out, and 2 T20 Torx bits at the top that need to come out. So pull the cover off. It's held in with some clips around the edge. And now with the bottom cover off, we can see the Phillips head screws that are on the hinge. So there's 2 on each side. I'm going to remove these and the lid should come off. So there we go. So now the lid's off. There are 7 Phillips head screws around the wood trim, so I'm going to remove these and take the trim out. So now just pry it up on the trim. It comes out. So now we can see the staples along the trim on the top side, and the staples along the bottom side. So I'm going to remove all of the staples. I'm using a small flathead screwdriver to pry up the staples, then I'm removing them with pliers. So with all of the staples out, we should be able to remove the cover. I ordered the leather cover off of Amazon. It did not come with the Cadillac stitching on it. Once I received the cover in the mail, I took it to a local embroidery shop and had that done. Now I'm installing the new cover. I have the new cover in place, so now I'm going to staple it and cut out the opening for the wood trim and just try to keep it tight as I work my way around it. I'm using a 3-way staple gun to staple the leather back to the armrest. The plastic on the armrest is pretty hard, and actually the T50 staple just kept bending. It didn't work. The same thing with the U-shaped staple, but the brad nail actually works pretty good, so this is what I'm going to use to put the leather back onto the armrest. Now I'm carefully cutting an opening for the wood trim. Installed the 4 screws for the hinge. Snap on the bottom cover and install the 4 cover screws. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.